I don't think we're gonna make it. I don't like this. I hate being late. Parang dapat soft lang na. Parang you did it on your own type. Sino siya today? Victoria Marie.
Ganun pala yun?
Okay, let's go. We have to go. Kailangan ko lang talaga mamili ng kanta. Kasi, naiba yung look.
Kasi dear, na-master mo na rin yung hair flip.
Paano ba naman? Turning 21 years, Cream Silk Girl. Where can your hair take you?
Meron pang isa.
River Maya. Rico Blanco. Is D&G. Such a good brand. There's no...
Marami siyang dal...
Ipindot mo na yung Kemi.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
But it's a rock and roll song. It's an OPM. I skipped Valley.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Actually, I'm sad. I'm okay. I skipped Rivetta because I had the job. Okay, much better. Because with my contacts and with the net, wala na. Bulag na baka na ako. Thank you. Thank you! Saan na tayo? October 12!
Thanks, Jam! Ha?
Uy,
Birthday ni Camille.
Hi to Chap and your wife! Hi, madam!
Thanks for the invite.
Thank you! I've never been.
Talaga ba?
I've never been. I always wanted to go.
OPM, OPM.
Dear, yung last ko na siguro mix mo. Part na to parang ang perfect niya sa life ko kasi parang nag full circle. Mistakes, ganyan, but then dreams do come true, ganyan. Doesn't matter as long as my husband's holding my hand.
With you, make them all come true. As I lay inside your arms and rest my head upon your shoulder. Believe me, there's nothing that I can't do. Never work together.
Ito pa pala.
I wanna share my whole life with you. I wanna keep on dreaming, dreams to come true. As I lay inside your arms and rest my head upon your shoulder. Believe me, there's nothing that I can't do. Never work together.
Cute. Ganda.
It's there. Careful. Hindi na siya 3:30, 3:38, 3:40
3:38.
Magpapalit pa ako, mag-hair pa ako.
Feel ko kaya, dear.
I don't think we're gonna make it. Ayoko kasi mag-haggard eh, kaya tinatry ko to have time to change. Wala, malayo pa kayo, nandyan pa kayo eh. I think we'll make it kasi I have to change my hair. Ponytail na.
Madam, nandun tayo ng 4.
17 minutes. Saktong 4.
4 nandun tayo.
Hindi, kaya lang baka ako lang inintay eh. I don't like this. I hate being late. Ang ganda niya.
Nakatakip yung face.
Sino? Kaya hindi ko nakita.
Madonna.
Ay. Ate mo na yung oras yung flight natin.
8:30 here.
Naisip ko na yun eh. Sabi ko, hindi ito yun. Kasi, pero nakinig ako kasi nga akala ko nagbago ng fart. So this one can go home. Start on time?
No, it won't.
Promise?
Yes.
Okay, sige, relax. Yeah. Kasi mali na stress eh. In my bag, we have Frutella. Frutella Pinks in Philippines, Pochi.
Si Pochi.
Pakain naman ng sugar.
Ate, kumain na sugar.
Hihimatayin yan kanina.
Nakalag siya. Brava.
Nilagyan ko lang ng gloss and then I put the Dolce Gabbana red in the middle.
Parang blotted lip.
Yeah.
Ganda.
Ito rin yung sa Versace.
Thank you.
Okay, I'll do one more. Yes.
Bakit dito tayo nagbabalus na?
Okay na to.
Ang lamig-lamig dito sa labas. Grabe kayo, nakapote pa naman ako.
Nakapalo ako ba kay Isa? Si Isa nagtito.
Hindi talaga ako pagbubuhatin. Grabe. Galing, 22.2.
Pasok! Dito na! Last na to!
Dadagdag mo pa rin yan?
Ilan?
1.21.
1 kilo na yan?
Oh, 1 kilo na to.
Nanginginig.
23!
22.99! Yes!
Pasok!
Oo.
Pasok na pasok!
So, yun sa akin yung sobra.
Hindi, pause na ako. Okay na yan.
Perfect.
I thought we were in the Far Airport. Thank you, Lord. Teka lang.
Hinga muna, hinga muna.
Hinga muna. Hindi ko na kaya magpanggap. Milan Fashion Week is officially over for us. But the reels are still gonna be coming. But we're coming for you, Paris. See you soon. Bukas ulit, meron pa to. Bye!